For local news, I'm Brent Gare. Wairarapa police are continuing to investigate a crash between a car and a bicycle on Western Lake Road, south of Featherston. Police were called to the scene shortly before 5 p.m. last Sunday, and as a result of the crash, the cyclist, 48-year-old John Roger Collett of Lower Hutt, was killed. The Greater Wellington Regional Council are reminding people that if they see a rook, then they want to know about it. The pex birds love to eat farm crops and tear up paddocks in search of grubs and worms. And if you do try and spot one, then do not disturb it. Note your location, take a photo and report it to the Greater Wellington Biosecurity Team. Hotter days and more of them mean the climate change projections for the next 20 years aren't all bad, but there'll be a flip side, and in this region more than most. Climate scientist Dr. Alex Pisa is set to provide an overview of the key findings from recently released Wellington Climate Change Projections and Impact Report. It'll take place at the Wairarapa Chamber of Commerce Business Breakfast, 7:30am on Wednesday the 18th of October. And in sports, it's a Sunday game for the Ferries at Wairarapa Bush as they head to Wellington's Westpac Stadium this weekend to take on Horowhenua Kapiti. Kick-off is at 12:10 with the game being the curtain raiser to the Wellington Otago Mitre 10 Cup clash.